Hi everyone, I have this beautiful semi-tussar saree for today. Saree ஃபுல்லாவே உங்களுக்கு embroidery workல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அந்த embroideryயும் உங்களுக்கு வந்து zariல பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Come closer. And inside that embroidery work you'll get the zardosi work done. Saree base color வந்து baby pinkல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க and zari work is done in gray shade. Saree look இப்படி வரும் and உள்ள வந்து உங்களுக்கு lower portion of the saree la மட்டும் உங்களுக்கு embroidery இருக்கும். upper portion வந்து it goes plain and you'll get the plain blouse for the saree. Plain self blouse for the saree. I have beautiful color charts in this. Let me showcase you the colors. The second color is this beautiful shade of metallic blue. Next we have pastel green color. Baby purple. Next we have sky blue. The last one is tussar. These sarees are priced in the range of 950. If you can take a screenshot of the selected item and send it to the WhatsApp number that is mentioned in the screen, or you can directly message us. Thank you all.